Hola, estudiantes. It's Mrs. Santiago here, and today we're going to practice los números 0 a 100. Let's start with a review of the lower numbers. Los números 1 al 10. Say them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can use these numbers to practice counting. These are the base numbers that we'll use as the single digits in all of our other numbers. Now let's review los números 11 al 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. If you look at these numbers, you should remember these we call the CE numbers. Now let's review los números 16 al 19. 16, 17, 18, 19. These, if you look closely, are actually the number 10 plus the single digit number. 16, 10 y 6. The I in the middle is the and. 10 and 6. 17, 18, 19. The next thing we want to practice is learning our base 10 numbers. We need the base 10 numbers to count all the way up to 100. So let's practice 10 por 10, or as you say in English, 10 by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. One more time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Notice that 60, 60, and 70, 70 are only one letter off, so please be careful. Next, let's work on the numbers from 20 to 29, from 20 al 29. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. You can see that from 20 to 29, we're using a similar system from 16 to 19. We're taking the base 20, 20, and connecting it to its digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're connecting them with an I, in this case meaning and. One more time. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Muy bien. Now let's look at the numbers from 31 to 99. 31 al 99. It seems like a big jump, but you'll understand why they all go together. It's really quite simple. So when we get to 31, we start with 3 words. From 31 to 99, they're all 3 words. We're going to say the tens of 30 plus the digits, single digit 1. It will be 31. The Y equals and. 31. Say the tens, the Y equals and then say the ones. You need 3 words from 31 to 99 unless you're doing the base of 10. 45 would equal 40 plus 5, which is 45. 86 would equal 80 plus 6, which is 86. 97 would equal 90 plus 7, or 97. Vamos a practicar. Let's see how you can do. Try to write the number or write out the word for the number before I show the answer. 75 in Español. 75. 43 en español. 43. 59 en español. 59. 81 en español. 81. Now let's see if you can figure out the number that goes with 62. 62. 62. 15. 15. 15. 39. 39. 98. 98. Good job. Muy bien. Gracias. I hope you can now figure out your numbers from 0 all the way to 100.